Hi, my name is Paul Simsick. I live in Chicago, and I wanted to share a little bit about my experience with Greg's Pip and Run Stage 1 simulation program. Really, I haven't been trading recently, but several years ago, I lost every time I traded. And that's saying nothing about all of the unsuccessful trading systems I bought. I have to say that I was skeptical about a few aspects of Greg's system at first, but I came to see that these aspects could help me in my trading. During the stage 1 simulation program, I achieved an ROI of just over 20% with a drawdown of under 4%. After experiencing the stage 1 simulation part of the program, now I feel more confident about my trading. If I see a setup for a trade, I pull the trigger with confidence. My favorite part of the program, though, was Greg's concern for my learning to trade the system successfully. Greg took the time to answer all of my questions. I think the system is for anyone who wants to be a successful trader but is willing to work at it. Thank you, Greg.
Hi, wasn't that an awesome testimony? I tell you, the results that my students get from just a short time that they work with me is truly incredible, and I'm so proud of the hard work that they do. And that should be good news for you, because if you can imagine yourself being able to work with me on an ongoing basis to help you get results that you're looking for, so you'll be more confident in your trades, make more consistently profitable trades, and shorten your learning curve, then I invite you to click the link and actually register for a strategy call with a member of my team. We have traders and coaches available to talk to you to offer you a free breakthrough strategy call so you can get clarity on the next steps to your forex success. It's all about success. Everything rotates around success. If you're not successful in trading, then why trade? And you have seen the results that I get pound for pound, more testimonies, winning testimonies of students than any other instructor out there. And so any time that you wait, the longer you wait, the more you lose. You lose out on the opportunity of reaching your full potential and having the success that you're looking for. So make sure you link, book a time, have an open mind to being successful in trading. This is Dr. Greg McLeod signing out. Happy trading, peace and pips. Cheers.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!